Ngizokubhadala.
Ungibhadala nini? Wenza sitawuna mali. Ufuna imali.
Anginamali, ngiyenze kanjani?
Oh, ufuna ibhadala.
Ngicela.
Ufuna ibhadala.
Hello.
How are you?
Yes, it's me. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, I'm paying attention. I'm paying. Yes.
Hey, my dog.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, sure.
Ndim ungafuna umbhadala wena ngifuna umbhadala. Attention ebabhadala. Yababhadala attention.
Kanti ngithini kanti?
Uqibo umxelele ububhadela attention, ngibani attention?
Hayi, mfethu.
Hey. Imali yami bra. Ukwazi ubhadala attention nonibhadala. Unganxenge phone uqibosho ngokuba.
Labantu laba ngithi
ubhadala attention.
Bathe ngimamele ukuthi bakhuluma ngani labantu.
Oqibo wathini wena umxelele attention
umbhadala. Pay attention angithi.
Usayithetha futhi umbhadela attention. Ndim ongafuna umbhadala. Awunike imali yami wena.
Mfethu mamela.
Imali ka attention unayo, eyama unayo.